ounces of red enchilada sauce, 4 ounces of freshly diced jalapenos straight from the garden, juice and all, and freshly diced green chilies straight from the garden, juice and all. Half of a purple onion that's been diced, 16 ounces of refried beans, and a cookie scooper. You're just gonna dollop the whole can all over your sauce. 2 very large chicken breasts, smoked paprika, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and 1 packet of the taco seasoning of your choice. 4 ounces of cream cheese, and place an ounce each onto each piece of chicken. 8 ounces of freshly grated pepper jack cheese, 16 ounces of the chunky salsa of your choice, and then top your salsa with 8 ounces of freshly shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Slice up some green onions, cover your dish loosely, and you're going to bake this covered for 35 minutes at 400. Ooh, look at this. Let's go make it. 1 rotisserie chicken, and get out your favorite mixing bowl, and to it you're going to add cream of mushroom soup, can of Rotel, 1 cup of green enchilada sauce, and 1 cup of red enchilada sauce, diced jalapeno, diced purple onion, black olives, 2 heaping tablespoons of sour cream, makes it creamy, freshly chopped green chilies straight from the garden, 1 packet of your favorite chicken taco seasoning, and then a few additional seasonings. Add your shredded chicken, 1.5 cups of freshly grated cheese. Add a tablespoon of red enchilada sauce, a tablespoon of green enchilada sauce. Then it's a layer of white corn tortillas. Then your chicken mixture, sprinkle of cheese. Repeat. End with tortillas, and then add 2 tablespoons or so of the red enchilada sauce or the green enchilada sauce. That'll keep your tortillas from drying out while they're baking. To this, you're going to add more cheese. Then you're going to cover with foil, and you're going to put her in the oven and bake her for 30 minutes. Add about 1.5 cups of crushed nacho cheese Doritos. More cheese to the top, and back into the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Baby. So good. When your potatoes are slightly tender, you're going to drain them. Best thing you'll put in your mouth all day. We're going to add our ground beef to a pan on medium heat. We're not going to season it. And we're going to add our onion that we chopped roughly, so a peasant chop, to it. To crumble and brown until our beef is no longer pink and our onions are slightly tender. Drain and rinse your black beans. Add your sweet potatoes to the party. And then you're going to add the entire packet of your taco seasoning. This for about 5 minutes. It smells so good. Add your drained black beans to the mix. And then you're going to add 1/2 cup of the salsa verde. And you're going to give that a mix. And we're going to cook it until it is really, really fragrant. That looks amazing. All right, get you another pan. I said 1 minute per side. It's probably like 10, 20 seconds per side. Don't do it for a minute. They'll blow up on you. So, a couple of seconds on the oil just to get them pliable. And then we're going to add about a tablespoon of our mixture to the middle of them. Then you're going to roll them up and arrange them seam side down. Now we're going to put them in the oven at 425 for 10 to 15 minutes, crispy. We're going to add our enchilada sauce. A little bit on our tortilla cheese. Put it back in the oven, just like that. A little cilantro, some avocado, and a little sour cream. 2 pounds of ground lamb, 3/4 cups of Italian breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan, 2 tablespoons of chopped basil, and 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, and to all these seasonings, 1 yellow onion, 2 eggs, 2 cups of cooked rice, zest from 1/2 a lemon, then the juice. Don't skip this part. It helps balance out the flavor of the lamb. Now mix this concoction together until it is just combined. Plop it in your hand, flatten it out. To this, you're going to add fresh mozzarella, and then you're going to form the ball around the cheese. 24 ounces of the marinara sauce of your choice. Take about 3 tablespoons of it, spread it out to create a thin layer at the bottom of your dish. Add your meatballs in a single layer. Pour over the remaining sauce. Smother your meatballs. Now cover tightly with some foil, and you're going to bake 30 minutes at 375. I'm going to add 2 cups of freshly grated mozzarella to the top. And then you're going to put it back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Garnish with some fresh parsley and a scrunch of black pepper. Serve it with garlic bread so you can sop up that sauce. Let it cool for about 5 minutes. Add your trimmed chicken to a mixing bowl, and to it, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of dried jerk seasoning. You can find this at Walmart. 3 tablespoons. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. 1/2 cup of the jerk liquid seasoning of your choice. I'm using this Caribbean one by Masterpiece, KC Masterpiece. 1/2 cup of that. And then you need 1/2 cup of mango juice. And you need some rubber gloves. Go get your gloves. We got to mix it up. Mix and massage your chickens until they are really well coated in your marinade. Just like this. They had a hard day. They need a massage. Put to the side while we prep the rest. Kindly preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and then spray or grease a 9x13 baking dish. Just like that. 1.5 cups of uncooked yellow rice to the bottom of the baking dish. 14 ounces of petite diced tomatoes with the juice. 2 cups of chicken broth. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of butter. 1/3 cup of mango juice. 1 purple onion, chopped. Add your onions to the baking dish and then add 1 cup of chopped mangoes. And then give this a stir. You mix it up. Get to mixing. Now place your chicken into the baking dish just on top of everybody. Don't overlap. Everybody's got to be in a single layer. Then take your jerk seasoning and just sprinkle the top of it. Like a teaspoon. Maybe 2 teaspoons. Or a tablespoon. However much you like. Just sprinkle some of this on there. Just like that. Cover tightly with some foil and you're going to bake 45 minutes covered, and then you're going to uncover and bake 20 more minutes, and then you're going to broil it for 5 minutes. Put it in the oven. Just like that. Let it cool for about 5 minutes, fluff the rice, and then we eat. Y'all better go make it. It's so good.